Head northeast toward Lakeshore Boulevard, then turn right onto Lakeshore Boulevard. Continue on Lakeshore Boulevard for half a mile. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Hamilton Street. Take the next left onto Hamilton Street. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Birkenhead Road.